Children, in this session, we'll continue our complementary angle rest of the problems. Now I'll go for the next problem, that is continuation to our last session. So last session, I told you about the formulas. So first of all, complementary angle formula I told you. Complementary angle means sum of the two angle is 90. If one angle is theta, complement of the theta is 90 minus theta. X means 90 minus x. 40 means 90 minus 40. First, we have to convert the angle. Suppose there 40 is there, we write 90 minus 40. There theta is there, we write 90 minus theta. There x is there, we write 90 minus x. Suppose there 90 minus x is there, we write x. First, we'll convert the angle. After converting the angle, we'll go for trigonometry. Automatically, we have to change the trigonometry also. Sine is converted to cos, cos is converted to sine, tan is converted to cot, and again cot is converted to tan. Cosec is converted to sec, and sec is converted to cosec. So by changing the angle as well as the trigonometric function, we solved some problems. Now we'll go for the remaining problems. If tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degree, find a. Find the a value. Here, how many trigonometry is there, children? Two trigonometry is there. One trigonometry I am going to change. Which trigonometry I am going to prefer means first one only. First, I am going to convert 2a. 2a complementary, we can write it as 90 minus 2a. 2a we can write it as 90 minus 2a. When we change the angle, automatically we have to change the trigonometry. Now the trigonometry is cot. And other side I read as it is. Now both the side cot is there. When both the side cot is there, should not cancel. Just we have to compare the angles. On comparing the angle, we can write 90 minus 2a equal to a minus 18. Just transferring now. Minus 18 bring to the left hand side become as a plus 18. Minus 2a you take to the right side become as a plus 2a. 90 plus 18. Now the minus 18 become as a plus 18. Already here a is a right a, minus 2a you take to the other side become as a plus 2a. 90 plus 18 we can write it as a 108. A plus 2a we can write it as a 3a. Take this 3 to the denominator of 108. We can write 108 by 3 equal to a. Cancel. 3 3s are 9, 1 8 18, 36. So finally a equal to 36 degree. A equal to 36 degree. Very simple problem. So two trigonometry is there. Left side, right side. I change the left side. 2a I have written as a 90 minus 2a. Complement of 2a is 90 minus 2a. First I change out the angle. Automatically we change the trigonometry. Tan is written as a cot. Now both the side cot is there. When both the side cot is there, should not cancel. Just you have to compare the angle. On comparing the angle, here 90 minus 2a, here a minus 18. Now you bring minus 18 to the other side become as a plus 18. Minus 2a take to the other side become as a plus 2a. 90 plus 18 become as 108. A plus 2a become as 3a. Now take the 3 to the denominator. 108 by 3 is nothing but 36. Now we'll go for the next problem, children. Same. If sec 4a equal to cosec a minus 20, find a. Same process. Here also how many trigonometry is there? Two trigonometry is there. Out of the two trigonometry, I am going to change one trigonometry. That I change the first trigonometry. How to change? First I change the angle. 4a complement I write it as 90 minus 4a. CQ convert it as cosec. C can be changed into cosec. Now we go for remaining cosec of A minus 20 degree. Both the sides same trigonometry cosec is there. No. Both the sides same trigonometry is there. We should not cancel, just we have to compare the angle. On comparing the angle, we can write 90 minus 4A equal to A minus 20. Bring this minus 20 to the left side, minus 4A to the right side. When you bring minus 20 to the left side, we get 90 plus 20. A. Take minus 4A to other side, become as a plus 4A. 90 plus 20, we can write it as 110 equal to 5A. Now you take 5 to the denominator, we can write it as 110 by 5 equal to A. That is 22 degree. Finally, I got A equal to 22 degree. I hope that you all have understood, children. Same model problem, before problem and this problem. Did you understand? Okay, I will go for the next problem. Now we are entering into a very, very important problem. It's a 4-mark question. Now all of you look at the board, children. A comma B and C are interior angles of triangle ABC. So in a triangle ABC, A, B, C are the interior angles. So interior angles means we'll go for angle sum property. What is the angle sum property? A plus B plus C equal to, that means sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180. So this is the concept already all of you know, children. Angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C equal to 180. I write, we know that, what we know that angle sum property. A plus B plus C equal to 180. Now if you observe carefully, you follow our question. In our question, we have to prove that sine of B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. That means if you observe carefully, B plus C are on one side, A is on the other side. So here also we have to send the A to the other side. B and C should be one side, A should be on the other side. Because in my answer also like that only. B and C are one side, A is on the other side. Here A, B, C are all the three members are on one side only. So from this I send A to the other side. So in this problem you have to follow our answer. Always you have to follow our answer. So here I will send the A to the other side. Suppose here A plus C is there, there B is there. We'll put here A plus C as it, B will send to the other side. You say left side, what are the letters are there? B and C. You keep here left side B and C, you send the other side to other side. Suppose on the left side you have A and B, C is on the other side. We send C to the other side. You follow what is on the left side. Left side B plus C, you put B plus C only. Suppose left side A plus C is there, you put here A plus C. Suppose here A plus B is there, you put here A plus B. But in my question here, what is that? B plus C is there. I will put B plus C as it is. I send A to the other side. Now B plus C equal to 180 minus A. Is it clear, children? Now down of the B plus C, what do you have? By 2 is there. Down of the A also by 2 is there. That means I am going to divide LHS and RHS both the side with 2 because I want by 2. So dividing LHS and RHS by 2. B plus C by 2, 180 minus A by 2. Both the side we have to divide with the 2. Now I write B plus C by 2 as it is. Here I will separate and write 180 by 2 minus a by 2. 2 ones are 290. So I got a step that b plus c by 2 equal to 90 minus a by 2. 90 minus a by 2. Did you understand, children? First, what you have to do, we have to take interior angle. This is interior angle. So sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. A plus b plus c equal to 180. From here, we have to follow our question. In our question, in the left hand side, I have b plus c. Right side, I have a. So I send a to the other side. Suppose if you have here a plus b, we'll put here a plus b. We send the c to the other side. Now, down of the b plus c, what is that? 2 is there. So I divided both LHS and RHS with the 2. Next, here I separated. Left side is the right side is separated. 180 by 2 minus a by 2. 2 ones 290. Now I got b plus c by 2 equal to 90 minus a by 2. Again, you check our question. In our side of the b plus c by 2, what is there? Sign is there. What trigonometry is there? Sine. So taking sine on both sides. Suppose your tan is there, we'll take tan on both sides. Your cos is there, we take cos on both sides. Now in the question I have side of the b plus equal to sine. I apply sine. Taking sine on both sides. Sine of b plus c by 2 equal to sine of 90 minus a by 2. Both the sides we have to take. Left side you write as it is without any disturbance. Now we will go for applying the formula. I'll change the angle. 90 minus a by 2 complement is a by 2. Now I changed the angle. When we change the angle, automatically trigonometry also should be changed. Sine is changed to cos. I hope that I got my answer. Only the last case I applied. Here 90 minus a by 2 complement is a by 2. Sine is converted to cos. So this is the problem. Very, very important problem. Did you understand, children? Same model. Shall we do one more problem? Same model. We'll go for one more. Same model, another problem. If A, B and C are the interior angles of triangle, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cos C by 2. Same process. Here ABC are what type of angle? Complementary angle. Complementary angle means what you have to do? Sum of the three angles is 180. So A plus B plus C equal to 180. Now we go for our answer. A plus B are on one side, C by 2 is on another side. Now what you have to do? We'll put A plus B on left side, C will take it to the right side. Now what we can write? A plus B equal to 180 minus C. Now down of the A plus B, what is there? By 2 is there. There also C by 2 is there. So dividing both LHS and RHS with 2. A plus B by 2 equal to 180 minus C by 2. Left side as it is you write without disturbing. Right side you split it and write. We can write it as 180 by 2 minus C by 2. 2 ones, 2 90s. 2 ones, 2 90s. So we can write A plus B by 2 equal to 90 minus C by 2. 90 minus C by 2. So, and next, come to again our problem. Side of A plus B by 2, what is the trigonometry? Tan is there. When tan is there, what you have to do? Taking tan on both sides. Previous problem here, sine is there, I have taken sine on both sides. Now here tan is there, we'll take tan on both sides. tan of a plus b by 2 equal to tan of 90 minus c by 2. Left side you don't disturb, our answer is same, tan of a plus by 2 only, you write as it is. Right side I apply the formula. Complement of 90 minus c by 2 is nothing but c by 2. Complement of 90 minus c by 2 is c by 2. Tan is converted to cot. I hope that we got our answer. Is it clear, children? Very, very important problem. Very, very important problem for examination. Now we'll go for one more modern one. Express sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles 0 degree and 45 degree. 0 degree and 45 degree. So what is the question? Just to observe the question very carefully. Express sine 67 and cos 75. Sine 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratio of angle 0 and 45. Now here two angles are there. One angle is 67, other angle is 70. Both of them are greater than 45. Just you have to convert both the angles below 45. Below 45 you have to convert. So that is the question. Trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. We have to convert our 67 degree below 45 and 75 degree also below 45. Both the angles we have to convert. Since we have to convert both the angles, for both of them we have to apply the formula. For both of them we have to apply our formula. Sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree. I will apply a complementary angle. 67 we can write it as 90 minus 67. Sine is converted to cos. Generally all the problems when two trigonometries are there, only one we are changing, but here both of them we have to change because both the angles we have to convert into below 45. That's why I'm going for both of them, both the trigonometry I'm going to change. Now 45 complement is 90, sorry, 75 complement is 90 minus 75. Cos is converted to sine. Cos is converted to sine. Now you tell 90 minus 67 is nothing but 23 degree. Sine 90 minus 75 is 50 degree. Now you check both the angles are below 45 or not below 45. Why we are converting here both the trigonometry means both the angles must be converted below 45. That's why in both the cases I am applying the formula. Children, I hope that you understood. Same model, we'll do some more problems now. Now with this our complementary angle exercise is completed. So here some models I told you. In that same models we'll do some more extra problems now. With that I'll stop this exercise. If sin A equal to sin B, prove that A plus B equal to 90. This is the question they are asking in examination. They may ask for 3 mark or 2 mark or 1 mark, we cannot say. Now only your concentration should be on the trigonometry only. So your two trigonometry is there, one will convert it by using the formula. What formula can be applied here? So first one, complement angle. A is converted to 90 minus A. Sine is converted to cos. Sorry, here cos B. Our question sin A equal to cos B. Now another one you write as it is. Another one you write as it is. Both the side of cos is there. We should not cancel the cos. Just we have to compare and we have to write. We can write it as 90 minus A equal to B. Send minus A to other side become as a plus A. That is 90 equal to A plus B. 90 equal to A plus B. We'll do another problem. Cos 7A equal to sin A minus 6 degree. Find A. Find A. Here also two trigonometry is there. One we have to convert it. First one I will convert it. First we'll convert the angle. 7A can be written as 90 minus 7A. Cos is converted to sin. And next here, sin A minus 6 degree. Both the sides sin is there. When both the sides same trigonometry is there, should not cancel, just you have to compare. On comparison, what we can write? 90 minus 7A equal to A minus 6. Bring this minus 6 to the left side, minus 7A to the right side. 90 plus 6 equal to A plus 7A. 90 plus 6 we can write it as 96 equal to 88. Bring 8 to the denominator. 8 equal to 96 by 8. 8 ones. So finally, A value is 12 degree. Finally, the A value is 12 degree. So children, with this complementary angles session is completed. Our next topic is trigonometric identities. I hope that all the children might have been understood this complementary angle in the two sessions I taught you. In the first session, mainly I told you all the formulas, how to write the formula, how to convert the angle, how to convert the trigonometry. And then I told you a few problems in the first session. In the second session, what are the problems I told you? Those problems are very, very important in the examination point of view. Okay, children? So in the next session, we'll go for trigonometric identities. So I hope that with this, you might have been understood the complementary angle exercise. All the children. Okay, shall we go for the next session? That is the trigonometric identities. We'll take a few minutes break and then we'll start the next session. Get ready.